Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to switch between graphical and text-based multi-boot menu in Windows 11 PC. Windows offers two multi-boot menus, this one and this one, graphical and text based. However, some users stick with the default option and never try to switch between graphical and text based multi-boot menu. In this video, we will walk through the straightforward steps to switch between these two modes, ensuring that the boot menu process aligns perfectly with desired user experiences. The graphical multi-boot menu offers icons and graphics representing different operating systems. Furthermore, it provides additional features like timeout options and customizations, offers a visually appealing interface. Users can interact with these menus using a mouse or keyboard. On the other hand, the text-based multi-boot menu represents options in a straightforward text format, which is basically the usual Windows operating setup. Users can navigate through these menus using keyboard, usually with arrow keys. To switch between text-based to graphical boot menu in Windows 11, you need to click on this one, a start button at the taskbar, and then type CMD. In the search results, you need to right click on this one, command prompt entry, and select here run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on the yes button. To open command prompt as administrator, in this one command prompt window, all you need to copy and paste this one command from this one video description that says bcd edit slash set default boot menu policy as standard. After that, press enter on the keyboard. You will see the operation completed successfully. That means your boot menu has been changed. After that, close this one command prompt and reboot your PC to apply the changes. And in case you want to switch from graphical boot menu to text based in Windows 11 PC, again click on this one, a start button, type here CMD. In the search results, right click on this one, command prompt entry, and here you need to select run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on this one yes button. In the elevated command prompt window, all you need to copy and paste this one command from this one video description that says bcd edit slash set default boot menu policy, and here put one this one legacy. After that, press enter on the keyboard. You should see a message, the operation completed successfully. This will switch graphical boot menu to text based in Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.